Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use your saved Instagram audio in your posts. So let's go to any particular post, like example, say this post right here. And now what we'll try to do is edit this post by clicking on these three lines present at the top of the post. Then from here, choose the edit option and then click on this add music button in blue. Then once you will click here, it will open the music and you can see this saved item right here. Click on the saved and you can choose any audio that you have saved. So for example, let's say this audio right here, and once you are done, simply click on this arrow icon and choose the length of the audio. Then once you are done, simply click on this tick button at the top, and once that is done, you can again click here and you can see that the audio has been successfully uploaded to this post right here. So you may refresh this and try to again, and here you can see that the music has been successfully added to an Instagram post. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.